Yes, good morning, children.
Ma'am, I write notes.
What is that? You wrote notes.
Yes.
Okay. Yesterday sent the notes, you have completed it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. How many of you have completed?
Abhinav completed.
Abhinav has completed.
It's completed.
Okay, most of you have completed. And what about the homework which I sent?
Yes.
That also did.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Good.
Complete. Ma'am, also completed.
Huh? Daily test you are asking about. I did not hear what you asked.
Note. I read the homework and the note.
Okay, you have completed the notes. Okay, good, children. Good. Today also we are going
Ma'am, next has to complete the notes.
yes, good. Okay, I have muted everybody. Today also we are going to continue the same topic, repeated addition. Today we are going to do some word problems. Okay, without the pictures, I am going to give the questions and you have to answer it. The first one I will do for you, the second one I will give a clue, and third one you have to do by yourself, and the fourth one I will give as a homework. Okay, so all of you take your rough book. When I will start writing the question, you have to start with me. Okay, sure. Now I'm going to share the board. All of you take your rough book. Yes. Today's date 25. January 25th. Heading, write the heading, word problems. Start writing the question with me. And with me, you have to finish it. First one. There are 4 groups. There are 4 groups of children, and each group has 3 children. How many children are there in total? Okay, so this is the question. There are 4 groups of children. Each group has 3. And how many children are there in total? So it is told that there are, number of groups. Afreen, number of groups is equal to?
Yes, ma'am.
Number of groups. How many groups are there?
4 groups.
4 groups. Good. There it is already given in the question. There are 4 groups of children. So number of groups is equal to 4. Second statement, number of children. It is asked about how many children are there. So second step will be related to children. Number of children in each group is equal to Daksha. Number of children in each group is equal to? How many children are there? Just read the question and tell me how many children are there in each group?
3.
3. Good. Each group has 3 children. So number of children in each group is equal to 3. Last statement, total children. It is asked to find out the number of children. How many children are there? So we have to write the second and third statement related to children. So total children is equal to Mitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Which number is to be repeated and how many times it is to be repeated, Mitra?
3. 3.
3 is to be repeated, is it? And how
Yes.
many? Okay, how many times?
Mm, 4 times.
4 times. Good. 3 is to be repeated. Number of children is to be repeated according to the group. So number of children is 3. So it is repeated 4 times because number of groups are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take two numbers at time. 3 plus 3. Abhinav.
3 plus 3, 6.
3 plus 3 is 6. Then
And next time also 3 plus 3.
plus sign will come down. Then 3 plus 3 again 6. Okay.
The final answer is 12.
12. Good. Good, Abhinav. 6 plus 6. Let the first 6 be there. Second 6 in your fingers. Then after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 children are there in all. So always the second and third statement will be related to how many. Okay, complete it fast. Then I'll give the second one. Okay, second question. Second question. There are 3 pet cats in a house. How many legs? Write the question with me, children. How many legs do these cats have altogether? There are 3 pet cats in a house. How many legs do these cats have altogether? You have to write all the statements, children. All the 3 statements should be there. Now, see here. How many legs? How many legs? So, second and third statement should be related to legs. So, first one, number of groups is equal to. Second one, it is asked, it is told to find out the number of legs. All of you listen here, stop writing. Stop writing. Yes, stop writing, all of you, and listen here. See, first one is number of groups. Second statement, read the question properly. It is written how many legs. So you have to find out the number of legs. So second and third statement should be related to legs. So number of legs each cat has. The question is related to cats. So number of legs each cat has. And the third step should also be related to legs. So total legs is equal to. Now, let me, Dulkafil.
Yes, ma'am.
Dulkafil, tell me the second statement. Don't tell me about the groups now. Second one, number of legs each cat has.
4.
4. Good. Number of legs each cat has 4. So which number should come as groups? Any number is given in the question? Two numbers were not given in the question, but since it is told to find out the number of legs, we have written the second and third statement related to legs. So number of legs each cat has is equal to 4. So what should be the number of groups? He has muted. He don't know the answer, so he has muted now. Bhagat?
Yes, ma'am.
Number of groups is equal to
3 groups.
3 groups. Very good. Number of groups is equal to 3. Always the group will be given in the question. So the number which is given in the question is number of groups. Second one, since it is told to find out the legs, second statement has to be written like this. Number of legs each cat has. Now, Matrudatan.
Yes, ma'am.
Which number is to be repeated and how many times, dear?
4.
4 is to be repeated. And how many
Yes.
times?
3 times.
3 times. Good. Number of legs is to be repeated according to the number of groups. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. 2 4s together. Okay. Joanne. Did you get the answer, dear?
Yes.
What is the answer?
4 plus 4 is 8.
8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then plus 4 is remaining over there. You have to write it down. Then two numbers together. 8 plus 4 is equal to?
After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
Yes. So 12 legs. This is the final answer. Good. Now question number 3. If you have completed, write the question with me. Third question. A star has 5 corners. A star has 5 corners. How many corners? Will such 4 stars have? A star has 5 corners. How many corners will such 4 stars have? Yes. Now let me ask you. Yes. Javak.
Yes, ma'am.
A statement should be 1 second. Okay. First statement should be number of groups, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Let it be like this. Second statement. It is asked to find out the corners. How many corners? So what should be the second statement? Number of?
Number of corners.
Yes. Number of corners. Each?
Is stars.
Very good. Each star has. How many corners each star has, Javak?
5.
5. Good. Number of corners each star has is equal to 5. Lakshmika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the first one, number of groups is equal to
5.
5. Check whether the groups are 5.
4.
4. 5 is already used. This one is already used. So number of stars is the number of groups. 4. Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What should be the last statement, Advait?
Total corner.
Total corners. Okay. Total corners is equal to
5 corner.
5 is to be repeated. How many times?
5.
5 is to be
4 times. 4.
5 is to be repeated 4 times. Okay, good. The number of corners is to be repeated according to the number of groups. Groups are 5, groups are 4, so 5 is to be repeated 4 times. Rohan, 5 plus 5.
10.
5 plus 5 is 10. And the next 5 plus 5?
10.
10. Good. Mute. Good, dear. Now this 10 and 10.
10.
Okay, mute, dear. Mute. Okay, Prarthana is there today? Yes, Prarthana. Did you complete all the notes and all, dear? No. Okay, slowly you have to complete it. Okay, when you will get time. Yes. Okay, I cannot hear you. Even then, 10. Yeah. Connected. Speak. No. No, dear. Check whether it is connected properly. No. No, dear. Even then, okay. Yes, I will come to you afterwards. Huh? Yes, Heba. Let me see if I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 10 plus 10.
20.
20. So how many corners a star has? Not a star. All the 4 stars have altogether. 20.
stars.
Is it star? Did we find out the number of stars?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Answer is correct, 20. What should be written near to that? The unit? Huh?
Ma'am.
What we have found out total? Heba.
Yes, ma'am.
What we have found out now? Is that the number of stars that we found out, Heba?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read the question properly and tell me. She don't want to say the answer. She has muted. She don't know the answer. Okay. Anthony Babu.
Ma'am, 20 corner.
20 corners. Very good. Yes. It is already written over here. Total corners. And the question is how many corners? So we have found out the number of corners. 20 corners. So children, one minute. Fourth question, one more question is there that I will give it as homework. On Wednesday, what you have to bring, that I will tell you afterwards, whether you have to bring the rough book or workbook. Yes. Now, look here. In the second one, it is told to find out the number of legs. So the second and third statement is related to legs, number of legs and total legs. Third one, it is in the third one, it is told to find out the number of corners. So the second and third statement is related to corners. So when you will get a question, you have to check first what is to be found out. And that is to be written as the second and the third statement. Okay. So 3 questions we have done. And the fourth question I will send you in WhatsApp as for you have to do it as a homework. Okay. I hope you have understood how to do it. And on Wednesday, I will tell you which book you have to bring for the maths class during the period. Okay, children? Now I am muting everybody.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you.
you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.